Welcome back. Now that we have introduced the course, let's explore why Klaviyo is the ideal email marketing solution for your Shopify store. Managing a Shopify store is rewarding, but handling marketing alongside daily operations can be challenging. Klaviyo simplifies email marketing, saving you time and helping you build stronger customer relationship that drives the sales. Number 1. Klaviyo makes your data work harder. Klaviyo seamlessly syncs with Shopify to gather key customer data like what they have purchased, browsed, and even abandoned. This lets you send tailored, relevant emails like cart reminders or special offers, making your email feel personal and timely. Number 2 is automation to save time. Klaviyo takes the work off your plate. Set up automated flows for welcome emails, cart reminders, and post-purchase follow-ups, and let Klaviyo handle the rest. Less manual work and more sales. Number 3 is the targeted segmentation. With Klaviyo, you can group customers based on behaviors, whether it's their purchase history or what they have clicked on. This lets you send highly targeted messages like exclusive offers to loyal customers or nudges for abandoned carts. Number 4 is easy email design, no experience needed. Creating beautiful emails is a breeze with Klaviyo drag and drop builder. No design experience required, just simple tools that let you create on-brand emails in minutes. And number 5 is analytics to optimize performance. Want to know if your emails are working? Klaviyo's analytics gives you insights into open rates, click-through rates, and revenue per email, helping you adjust and improve your campaign for better results. Number 6. Scalable as you grow. Whether you are just starting or your store is rapidly growing, Klaviyo scales with you. It handles more customers, automates more workflows, and sends more personalized emails as your business expands. So now, let's talk about the Klaviyo's pricing plan. Klaviyo offers flexible plans designed to fit businesses of all sizes. So let's walk through how the pricing is displayed right on your desktop. So as you can see, free plan, and on your desktop, you will see free plan is clearly listed. With this plan, you can send up to 500 emails per month, and you can send up to 250 active profiles, giving you all the essentials to get started without any headaches. Plus, you will get 150 SMS credits to reach your customers on another level. So whether you are just starting out or your store is still growing, this plan has everything you need to start connecting with your customers and building your brand. And the best part is completely free. So as you can see on the screen, you can easily sign up for free simply by clicking this sign up button. And after that, you need to follow and fill up all the personal details required. So now that you have seen how easy it is to get started with the free plan, let's talk about the exciting part, which is upgrading to a paid plan as your business grows. So, starting at just $20 per month, you can manage up to 500 active profiles and send 1,000 emails each month. So perfect for a business ready to take stakes up a notch. But here is the real magic. So when you look at the desktop view, you will see everything right in front of you. So as your number grows of active profile increases, the price goes up too, and it's all laid out right on the screen. So as your customer base grows, you can see how your plan adjusts in real time. So it's like having a front row seat to your business success. And the best part, you can easily upgrade your plan whenever your business is ready. So whether you need to manage more profiles, send more emails, or unlock additional features, it's all just a click away. And with the desktop view, you can compare all the plans side by side, making it super simple to choose what fits you right now and as you grow. So as you scale, Klaviyo has your back, keeping everything transparent and stress-free. You will always know exactly what you are paying and why, so you can focus on what matters, growing your business. So in summary, Klaviyo empowers you to work smarter, not harder. So it's the perfect tool to build your relationships, automate your marketing, and boost your sales, all while saving you time. So ready to set up your account? Let's get started.